Hello guys, I hope you're enjoying the live. Today we are going to create another thing, another PowerPoint template, but what we are going to create today is just more like that intro for the presentation that has logo. You can paste your company logo or your university logo here and use it. Okay, let's see how we can create it. It's really easy. It uses one thing that's important, and I always say why is important. It's using contrast. Contrast is really important in your presentation. It always makes everything look great, amazing. You see, we have contrast and this effect. You can see here these two things and how they work. Okay, let's try to create it. At first, we need to add a new slide, and in our new slide, we need to create our shapes 1 and 2. We need to put them in the center and center. Okay, it's good. This good also. Now we need to paste our logo. Because I don't have my logo now, I just paste it here and align it. This is the past logo of the channel. I just simply align it here. After aligning, I need to delete this thing. I don't need it. Now we have the logo and we have this thing. You see they are all the same size. After adding that, we need to write the text here. The text is here, the channel name, Learning Star. Now, the text has some effect. The first effect is the font Overdrive Sunset, and it's bold, and using one of these things that I'm going to change to this thing. And also I'm going to set the fill to white and set the shape outline to none. Okay. Now we need to create the contrast in the past. How we create this? It's really easy. We just go to till mid and go until mid. Now we just send this to back. Send to back. Just change the color, make it black, no outline, and make it white and no outline. You see the great contrast has been created, but it's lacking something. What is lacking? It's lacking shadows. We need to make it some shadow effect. You see we have some good shadows, but using shadow from here is not from professional. We format shape, and from here you can use shadow and see what is happening to your presentation. But you see for white, we can't use many shadows, but for the black one, we can use some good shadows. I see, for example, something like this, or it's also down or like this. Okay. After adding the shadow is these great edges that I like them. After adding everything is ready for yourself. You see this is have a nice shadow, and this is also have a nice shadow. Everything is ready. We need to create the transition. How we create the transition? We insert a shape, make it big, and send it to back, and color it what? For example, let's say something cute, more I say something that look great and also professional. This is a good color. Now, but it's not showing the contrast very well, but this is too dark. Let's go with this green, it's good. We copy that slide, and then before copying, we need to bring this front, and then we copy that slide, and after copying that, we select all of things and align them easily in the center, in the middle. Now we just simply reduce this thing size to the size that we need. Let me just reduce it. Okay, now we just simply set the transition to morph. Now let the magic appear. You see, it's pretty amazing and good looking. You can use it whenever you want. Don't forget to ask me if you need anything in the comments, and if you like my content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice time.